Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about the registration process of the mobile phone you bring with you. The registration process is entirely voluntary. When you arrive in the country, you can register your device at custom counter at airport you land at. You can download and print the declaration form beforehand and hand it to the customer authorities at the airport upon the arrival to save time. You can also ask for a copy of this form at the airport counter. The form you can download at the link below. Please note that this form is meant to be printed out, fill in hand to custom authorities. Do not send it or email it to the PTA. You will be asked to provide 15-digit IMEI number for your device at custom and proof of identity, usually your NIC or passport number. Custom will use that information to register the device IMEI on the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority network. Your mobile phone will not be confiscated during this process. Alternatively, you may choose to leave the airport and have your mobile device registered later at custom house near your location within 15 days of arrival. Please bear in mind that documentary requirements at the custom house may be different than the requirements at the airport custom counters. The custom house Karachi, located at KPT head office in Kharadar. Thank you for listening this and watch this video. Please subscribe and share it. Thank you. Bye.